Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. In my last painting video that I did, I was painting in our master bedroom, just lighting it up with a neutral color that's made it much lighter and brighter in there. And we also need to figure out our furniture situation in our bedroom. The dresser that we had at our old house in our other bedroom, it will not fit on the walls that we have available in our new bedroom. So I've purchased this dresser at a local antique store close by, and it was not the right colors for me, so I definitely want to give this dresser a makeover. But the reason why I purchased it is because it was the perfect size that I was looking for as far as the width, and it wasn't also not too deep so that it wouldn't stick out too far into the room either, and it would fit perfectly between the bedroom door and the bathroom door. My mom is going to be helping me paint the dresser today, and we are going to be using this Glidden paint from Walmart. It's in the eggshell finish, and it's the grab and go paint, which I love because you don't have to wait for it to be mixed anymore. And the color is antique white. And here's what it turned out to look like after we got 3 coats of paint on it. We probably could have gotten away with 2, but we did 3 coats because we just wanted to have really good coverage. I was going to video us painting the dresser, but my mom is camera shy. Now I'm using the Iron Orchid Designs transfer in this beautiful toile pattern on the front of my dresser drawers, and I went ahead and removed all the knobs, and I'm going to be measuring the size that I need for each drawer front, and then I will cut them to size, and then I'm just placing them in place using painter's tape, and that will hold those in place so I can work on this project. The transfers do come with a plastic little scraping tool, which I was using earlier, but now I'm using a flathead screwdriver just to get the tougher spots that don't want to rub off onto my dresser as easily, so that is helping it to come off though. It's been so nice to have my mom here visiting, and she's just been such a big help. She has been helping me to get so many different projects done around the house, and most of you know that we recently moved in to our new home, and so she has been helping me unpack and get organized, and like I said, helping with different projects around here, and that has just been so helpful. I appreciate her help so much, and so grateful for that. My mom is an expert at moving and packing and unpacking because we moved around a lot while I was growing up, and so she is the expert. And I have to tell you too, it's so funny that she's camera shy, because she is so outgoing. She is a people person and everybody loves her, and I'm the one who's more of the introvert, so it's funny that that I'm the one that doesn't mind the camera so much, and that she would be camera shy. So I just thought I would share that because it's pretty funny. Now that I'm all done with my transfers, I'm going to add Mod Podge in the matte finish to the fronts of my dresser drawers to seal coat the transfers. And you could use any sealer for this type of project. I'm just using this because this is what I had on hand. Oh, I also have to say, I hope that I have my mom's energy when I'm her age. She just amazes me. You might recognize the black chandelier that was in our dining room when we bought the house. We moved it into our bedroom and it fits in here, I think, perfectly. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell as well, so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. I would appreciate that. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, au revoir.